What does that mean? And remember, we are talking of achievement. Achievement is what is bringing us here. So your desires are coming. Yes, Nishya, am I right about that? Your desires are coming from an influence outside of you. Because the circumstance is never here. The circumstance is all around. The climate in which I am there. It is coming from some place outside of you. So some place outside of you determines your desire, and then you start chasing that desire, and when you get it, you say, call it your achievement. You call it your achievement. Are they really, really your desires? And if they are not your desires, how can it be your achievement? How can it be your achievement? Before we dive headlong into achieving something, before we commit our whole time and energy into achieving X, Y, or Z, a particular CGPA, a particular job, a particular degree, before we commit ourselves fully to it, is it not wise to understand whether it is really my desire to get it, or whether there is ever any desire that is mine? Nishya, do you think all desires come from outside?
I think everyone has same mind. Only we do keep unfolding the knowledge within ourselves. If we have other some circumstances, then a special knowledge will unfold, uncover like that.
You are passing through a market. And there is this Pizza Hut delivery. You are inside a mall in which there is an outlet of Pizza Hut take home delivery, right? And there is the nice smell, the nice aroma of freshly baked pizza. When you pass close to it and the aroma comes to you, and the Pizza Hut owner has ensured that there is a particular aroma in front of his outlet for obvious reasons. आप उसके सामने से निकलते हैं, आपकी नाक में उसकी गंध पड़ती है, अरोमा आता है. What is the result? You salivate. And the desire of having a pizza comes into you. And you immediately walk into the desire path. And what do you say? It is my desire. Now, is it your desire, or has the Pizza Hut owner induced this desire in you? Is it really your desire? And if it is not your desire, then how can getting that desire be an achievement? Is it really your desire? Think of it. You may call it your desire. In the day-to-day language, you may say, मुझे खाना है पिज़्ज़ा, मुझे इच्छा उठी. तो आप में उठी है या उसने उठवाई है? अगर उसने उठवाई है और आप उसके साथ उसके उठाने पे काम कर रहे हैं, then are you a master or a slave? Yes. Are you a master or a slave? Are you a master or a slave? If somebody else has the power to make you work according to his wish, are you a master or a slave?
Slave.
Can a slave achieve? एक slave अपने मालिक की आज्ञा के हिसाब से जाके बाजार से कुछ खरीद लाता है और कहता है मेरी अचीवमेंट है कि मैंने खरीदा. कि उसकी अचीवमेंट है क्या? ये तो उसके मालिक की आज्ञा है. Now, do you know who your masters are? Who is commanding you to achieve? Who is inducing desires within you? Who is inducing desires within us? Where do our desires come from? Where are they coming from?
From the society we live in.
From the society we live in. Now, would an intelligent man want to be a slave of the society? An intelligent young man, would he want to be a slave of the society? Society thinks that it is good and respectable to go to an IIT. Hence, I wrote the IIT entrance. Society thinks that one must earn a fat paycheck. Hence, I will earn a fat paycheck. I do not know. I do not really know what I will do with that money. But you know, everybody thinks that it is good to have so much of money, so I'll earn that much. Society's desire has become my desire. Society has superimposed its desire upon me. And I am calling it my desire. Am I intelligent? Am I intelligent? Are you with me? Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
Whose desires are you following? Yes, let's be precise now. Instead of using a vague and huge term like society, whose desires are we following? And calling it our achievements. ये तो हमारा achievement है. Desire किसी और की है, achievement तुम्हारा कैसे हो गया? Yes, whose desires are we following? Whose mandate are we following? Yes, Nishya, you tell me. किसकी desires हैं? थोड़ी देर बाद. Yes. Whose desires are? Parents, all right, and friends, and who is influencing us? Who is creating desires within us? Who is telling us what to desire?
The achievements of others. Achievements of
Peers. Peers. And
People who already achieved something.
right, role models. And yes, who is telling us to achieve? Parents. And yes,
So our peer group, also people in the marketing profession.
wonderful. The entire thing in the media and the advertisements and all the stuff that you are seeing. Yes, but you are still not putting your finger on probably the biggest culprit. Yes, who is telling you to achieve? Yes, tell me.
Sir, if society superimpose desires on me, then why do we select some special? Why do not we select all?
I am a master and I have 5 servants. I choose the fastest runner to go to the market and fetch things for me. He may be the fastest one, but he is still my slave. I want to get my work done quickly, so I choose the fastest runner. कि तुम पांचों में तुम सबसे बेहतर हो, तुम मार्केट तक दौड़ के जाओ और मेरे लिए लेके आओ. Right? Yes. Who induces desire in my mind? The biggest culprit, you're still not putting your finger on. Yes. Yes.
Self.
What is the self? Is the self anything?
If I say so, a desire to be accepted and respected by the society, by others around us.
But even this thing that you must be accepted by the society,
That is the one that we have, that is a natural thing.
is that a natural thing?
Yeah.
Is that really natural to be accepted by others, or is even that a conditioning? Or is even that a conditioning?
No one wants to live alone, everyone wants to be.
Yeah.
Is that your natural state, or even has that been taught to you? You think that nobody wants to live alone, But even that, remember, investigate it. Even that may be a conditioning superimposed upon you. That to live alone is bad. That only losers live alone. Through all the media and the songs and everything that has been fed into you right since early childhood, you have been made to believe that only losers live alone.
Everything comes from experience.
Yes, and experience comes from outside, right? Experience means a circumstance
But
and
everybody interprets things in their own way.
what you call as the own way, the self, what you are calling as the own way, the self, go into it whether it is really your own way, or is it a taught way, that this is the way it should be. You have internalized it and started calling it your own way, but is it really your own way? Did you have it since childhood, or have you developed it because you were taught this way?
So sir, nothing can be our own way.
That's too far to assume. Don't go that far. कि अपना कुछ हो भी सकता है कि नहीं. अभी तो सिर्फ ये देखो कि जिसको तुम अपना मान रहे हो, क्या वो तुम्हारा है? एक बार उसको समझ लेते हैं. फिर इस पर आइए कि अपना कुछ हो भी सकता है कि नहीं. शायद हो भी सकता हो. Don't go that far. पहले ये तो देखो कि जिसको अभी अपना मान रहे हो, वो तुम्हारा है किसी और का है. एक बार ये समझ में आ गया कि अभी जो है वो क्या है, फिर आगे का रास्ता अपने आप खुल जाता है. Yes, the biggest culprit. Who has been inducing desires in you? Why can't you name your education system? I mean, look at this. Does this not induce a desire in you? This, to have your name up there in immortal letters. I know for sure I've been here. What kind of strong desire it induces?
हॉस्टल में आने के पहले दिन ही ये डिजायर आ जाती है पूरा 4 साल यही करना और कुछ
Look at the logo of your hostel. Sarvashreshtham Sarvasundaram. Is being Sundar not sufficient that you want to be Sarvasundar? Sundar होना काफी नहीं है. Sarvasundar होना है. Do you understand what is this? This is competitive way of life. And who has taught you competition? The IIT JEE, the class 10th board, the class 12th. सुंदर होना काफी नहीं है. सबसे सुंदर होना जरूरी है. और सबसे सुंदर होने में इसका अर्थ है कि आप लगातार दूसरों की ओर ही देख रहे हो. सबसे सुंदर का मतलब कंपैरिजन करना ही पड़ेगा, दूसरों को भी देखना पड़ेगा. Don't you see that all this is a product of the way your education has brought you up? Competitive, insecure, absorbing rather than analytical. बुक्स में कुछ लिखा है उसको पढ़ लो, स्वीकार कर लो. किसी और ने कोई कोर्स सेट कर दिया है तो you undergo that course. Do you decide the contents of the course? Do you decide the contents of a book? Do you even decide which book to read or not? There were prescribed textbooks. Did you decide what you would be taught in class 4th and 5th and 6th? And do all students deserve to be taught the same thing? Don't you see that what you call as your wish and your mind is a creation of your education system and the media and the society and parents and everybody else? But education system ranks pretty high in the creation of your mind. What you call as your mind has been created through all these kinds of inputs that have been attacking you right since childhood. And then you call it your achievement. How intelligent is that? So I have a doggy at home. I throw a ball at it and I say, go fetch that ball. And it fetches that ball and comes back to me and says, this is my achievement that I brought this ball. My doggy, my training, my ball, my desire, my order, and the doggy says that my achievement. How intelligent is the doggy? Yes. Yes. My ball, my doggy, but your life, you must speak. You must speak. And this question is not very relevant to those who have already surrendered their life, who are either too young or too old, or who anyway do not have the grey matter to think and decide for yourselves. Remember, you have proven one thing. What? That you can analyze. And because you can analyze, you must also analyze your own life. Should you not? या सिर्फ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एनालाइज करनी है, अपनी जिंदगी नहीं समझनी है? हाँ, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव समझनी है, अपनी जिंदगी नहीं समझनी है। समझते तो आप वो भी नहीं हो। पीएच 1 हो गया?
हाँ।
ए किस किस का है? गुड, वेरी गुड। ऑलराइट, बी किस किस का है? बी बी है। क्या कोर्स बदल दिया है क्या? कैन नॉट बी द सेम कोर्स। In my time, in a setting of 20, there would be one who would have anything higher than C net. Others would be C minus D, and the rest of it. So the same mind that understands Maxwell's equations, would it not understand your own life? Or is Maxwell more important than your own life?
वो भी ढंग से समझ नहीं आई।
कुछ तो ढंग से समझना चाहिए, पड़ेगा ही ना, जीना तो है ही। कुछ तो समझना पड़ेगा, या नहीं समझना है, कुछ भी नहीं समझना। You want to sleepwalk through life, सोते सोते ऐसे ऐसे चल रहा है जिंदगी में, कुछ पता नहीं है, जिए जा रहे हैं, करे जा रहे हैं। आ गए आईआईटी में, क्यों आ गए? आ गए, ढंग से निकले थे, कहीं तो पहुंचते ही करते, यहाँ पहुंच गए। अब क्या करोगे? बाहर भी निकल जाएंगे। क्यों निकल जाओगे? क्योंकि 4 साल के बाद हॉस्टल खाली करा दिया जाएगा। Is that the way you want to live life? हाँ? टहल रहे हैं। Yes, is that the way you want to live life? ऐसे जीनी है? तो फिर क्या? बोलो, तुम बताओ। Remember, all of you want to be achievers. तुम अचीव करना चाहते हो, तो तुम्हें देखना है। Have you opened the question of achievement? Have you opened the question of achievement? Question खुल गया है ना? इसके आगे की अब तुम देखो। Where are all these goals coming from? ये goals आ कहाँ से रहे? जिसको तुम अपना मन बोलते हो, that they are coming from my mind. Is it really your mind? Is it really your mind? What you call as the self? Is it really the self or something else? A product of conditioning.
Influenced by conditioning, but not necessarily just a product of conditioning.
Is there anything that is not a product of conditioning? Name it. To say that there is even an inch of you that is not a product of conditioning
There can be
would be
some,
sufficient.
like, suppose I like a particular kind of chocolate. So that is not decided by the society if I like.
All right. How many of you have no problems with eating normal dal, roti, sabzi? अभी आप फूड की बात कर रहे हो ना? How many Europeans would have no problems with eating dal, roti, sabzi?
Never really tried.
Yeah.
You never really tried or even that.
And the first time they are given it, they won't really have any taste for it. Most of them will be. You walk into a hotel, an extensive menu is given to you. which has 7 different types of cuisines. Alright? Spanish, Mexican, Thai, Japanese, Indian, Chinese. Right? Spanish, Thai, Mexican, this, that. To which one would you immediately go? Indian or Chinese. That's it. Right? Most of you. 90% of you. Right? Are your food choices really coming from yourself, or are they coming from your circumstances? Or are they coming from your circumstances?
That may be because we haven't really tried that stuff, so we don't really know.
How can you try when you have already been told that only certain things are worth trying? How can you ever try? Of course you haven't tried. Of course. How old are you? 20? 18? 18? 18 years is a very, very long time. Can you imagine what all could have been tried in these 18 years? But have you really tried? And how can you try when you already know that such things are not worth trying?
Okay,
Now,
I've not been allowed to try, but now that I'm old enough, I can try that on my own.
You can try that on your own, provided you think it is worth trying, right? But if the sense of worth itself is coming from outside, how can you try? You are seemingly independent right now, but even that independence is decided by your mind. What if the mind is being decided by somebody else? Let me ask you a few more questions. So a few very basic things. What you call as, my choices. A pretty brunette or a blonde girl walks in. This one is for all the gents here, which is pretty except one. A pretty, American girl walks in. And alongside her, a Negro girl walks in. Tell me honestly, to whom would your eye immediately go? Now don't you see how even your basic instincts like love, like sexual attraction are conditioned? And you call it my choice. मैं देखना चाहता था, आप देखना चाहते थे. It's because you have a particular color of skin, and because you have been ruled by the Englishmen which is fair-skinned people, for a very long period of time, that you have been now deeply conditioned to look only at the fair color. Otherwise, there is nothing in the fair color. One color is as good as the other. And because there is so much in media and all the songs that you have been hearing since childhood, that unconsciously you have been conditioned by all those songs and the media preferences and all the things that have been happening at home. भैया की शादी है, गोरी लड़की ढूंढी जा रही है. फिल्म का गाना है, उसमें बार बार शब्द आ रहा है, गोरी 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 गोरी. And you have been thoroughly conditioned, and you do not even know that you are conditioned. You think it is your choice. No, it is not your choice. It is the choice of Anu Malik, who composed the lyrics of that song, and those lyrics have gotten penetrated so deeply into your psyche that you do not even know that you are slaves to Anu Malik now. Otherwise, what is wrong with the color black? Think honestly. And do you know what? Before the Britishers came into India, the Indians never had any preference for white skin. But today everybody wants to be white, right? Fair and lovely and all such things are there in the market. Am I right or not? Indians never had any preference for bright colors, which is this white color, before the British came to India. But because the British came here and they subjugated you, and you thought it has got something to do with the color of their skin, now the conditioning is deep, very, very deep. So deep that very few of you would want to have a dark-skinned girlfriend. Very few of you. Am I right about it or not? Same with other gender. आप जिसको अपनी चाहत भी बोलते हो, वो आपकी है क्या? वास्तव में आपकी है. चाहे वो खाने के मामले में हो, चाहे वो लव के मामले में हो, चाहे किसी भी मामले में हो. कुछ भी आपका नहीं है. This body came from outside. You have no control over this body, right? None of you can influence your shape and size. All right, you can gain a few kilograms, but you can't increase your height anymore. You can't change the color of your eyes, the color of your hair. Can you? Your body is completely a creation of the outside, forces existing outside of you. Am I right about that? The first two cells that made your body, they came from outside. One from your father, one from your mother. Am I right?
Yes.
And after that, every single gram of weight that you have gained has come from outside through the food that you have eaten and through the air that you have inhaled. Am I right about that? There is nothing in your body which is really yours. Is there anything in your body which is really yours? Things that you call yourself, let's examine them. How many of you chose your religion? How many of you consciously chose your religion? That I have an option between becoming a Jew, a Muslim, a Christian and a Hindu, and I want to remain a Hindu. Yes. How many of you actively chose your religion? But then you would be very vociferous. My religion. How many of you chose your country? That I have an option of living this, I am choosing to be an Indian. Yes. How many of you are Indians by choice? आपका है क्या? सब कुछ तो बाहर से हो रहा है आपके साथ. कुछ आपका भी है और इज अ स्लेव ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंसेस. Are you a slave of circumstances? Seemingly you have choices. On the surface it appears you have choices. Very superficial. But do you really have choices? Seemingly you do have choices, but you really have choices. You are only achieving what others are dictating. Are you not? Do you fully agree with this? Are you too astonished about it? Or are you just absent?
I don't really agree. I don't really agree with all this.
Don't agree? Then speak. Let's understand.
Always go behind of happiness. Achievement doesn't mean that only just aiming something. If you get something better position in whatever you do, you feel happy.
We'll come to this issue of happiness again. We'll come to the issue of happiness. What is this animal called happiness? Huh? What is this thing called happiness? हम उसको समझेंगे. पर अभी achievement की बात करेंगे.
You try to achieve just because you need some happiness. You feel happy after you get some achievement.
Right. You feel happy. But what you feel happy about? What do you feel happy about? You can be trained to feel happy, which is all right. Right now, if I put a shot of certain hormones in you, you can start feeling very happy. If I release some nitrous oxide gas in this room, you can even start laughing. So that feeling of happiness does not mean anything. You want all of you, do you want to feel happy? दो इंजेक्शन का शॉट लगेगा आप बिल्कुल हैप्पी हो जाओगे. कोई बहुत हैप्पी महसूस करोगे. You will say I am having the time of my life. That happiness is worthless. It's a physical thing, a hormonal thing, a chemical thing. भाई वही बात की था हमने, वो पिज़्ज़ा की गंध आई आपकी नाक में और आप बहुत खुश हो गए. आप होते रहिए खुश. मास्टर कोई और ही है ना. और नाक में पिज़्ज़ा की गंध आती है तो खुश तो हम हो ही जाते हैं कि नहीं हो जाते हैं.
So you have said an example that there are different types of cuisines like Indian, Mexican. If you try to eat, if you like all the cuisines.
How can you like? That is the question. Where are your likings coming from? ये hypothetical बात थोड़ी है कि I will like everything. Do you really like everything? You already have your preferences and choices, which are not yours. Preference का मतलब ये desire. Am I right? आप hypothetical थोड़ी बोल सकते हैं कि मैं होटल में जाऊंगा और मुझे सातों तरह की डिश पसंद है. क्या एक्चुअली पसंद है सातों तरह की? नहीं है ना. You already have your preferences. We are not talking about imaginations here. कि मैं तो सब कुछ चूज कर सकता हूँ. कर सकते हो क्या? कर सकते हो क्या?
You gave an example about religion. I have a friend who comes from a Hindu family, but he chose to be an atheist.
Wonderful.
So
Wonderful.
he did choose.
It's
right?
all right. One fellow does not prove anything.
Talking about food, my whole family likes honey and I don't. So that's my choice.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. One thing. That is one thing which you are saying. The whole family likes honey and I don't. Think. And I said on the surface, superficially, there may appear to be choices, but go deeper into it. Go deeper into it. How many of you are strict vegetarians? How many of you are strict vegetarians? 1, 2, 3. Just 3? 1, 2, 3. I'm so sure that out of these three, at least two will be coming from strictly vegetarian families. Am I right? तुम तीन लोगों ने हाथ उठाइए. Is your family strictly vegetarian? Is your family strictly vegetarian? Is your family strictly vegetarian? No. So I said 2 out of 3 and that is the case. This is the way we are functioning.
So what about people who are not vegetarian and their families are vegetarian?
That is all right. Then there is another influence. You see, there is the KFC thing. मुर्गा मांग ले रहा है. बहुत टेस्टी है. तो उसका influence फैमिली से बड़ा हो गया. आप बात समझ रहे हो? एक छोटे influence को जो फैमिली का था, उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा influence मिल गया कि मुर्गे ने बुला लिया. चलो. But still, it is not your desire. The family decided you will be vegetarian, and the KFC decided that you will be non-vegetarian. Where are you in all this? Where are you in all this? Now that sounds unpleasant. बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है कि मैं क्या हुई नहीं, मैं क्या फालतू अपना टाइम खराब कर रहा हूँ जिंदगी में. सब कुछ दूसरों के साथ से ही चलता रहेगा, राइट? बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है. मन कर रहा है मारने मत. नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. फालतू सैटरडे खराब मत करो हमारा. ऐसा तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. नहीं ठीक है, अभी सब ऐसे ही, राइट? But if you really, as a young man, as a young woman, if you really love your life, you'll want to understand this. You must understand this. What am I investing my whole life chasing? What is this whole business of achievement? What am I achieving? Really go into it. Let's put a cap to achievement for the while and go into the next one. Which group would want to come?